Cleaning is an essential and highly complex part of tank container logistics. Before new cargo can be loaded, every tank's interior must be pristinely clean, 100% free of any residue which could contaminate the product. At Stolt Tank Containers, we make sure of this by using the latest technology, together with decades of experience, and constant attention to safety. Cleaning is carried out at one of our strategically placed depots, straight after unloading each cargo. Food-grade tanks are taken to a separate area, which is equipped with dedicated food-safe cleaning and drying equipment. Tanks which have been transporting chemicals are grounded to avoid static buildup, which could potentially spark a reaction. The inside of the tank is cleaned according to a custom wash program, which our experts carefully devise for every individual cargo. These programs involve water, steam, and/or chemical cleaning treatments, which are pressure sprayed from rotary jets. The tank's exterior is then pressure cleaned with hot water. If necessary, chemicals are used to remove any grease, decal glue marks, or residue from spillages. Ever conscious of our environmental responsibilities, our depots are installed with sophisticated underground systems where runoff from cleaning is captured for processing, then channeled into our treatment plant where a variety of physical, chemical, and biological processes take place. Bacteria and sludges are separated and made safe for disposal. Wastewater is treated for reuse in the chemical tank cleaning process. The end result is pristinely clean tank containers, which our customers can rely upon to safely transport their next load. To learn more about Stolt Tank Containers and how we fulfill our customers' needs, go to stolttankcontainers.com.